Hi everyone, welcome to EPIT Research Labs Private Limited. Today we came with a new project, that is IoT based health monitoring system through internet. So uh, this project can read the all patients data, which is mandatory when the patient is in ill. So I will go through all the sensors which we have included in this project. This is a heartbeat sensor. This will measure the heartbeat value of the patient, and this is the motion sensor. This will measure whether the patient is moving or in rest. And this is ECG, electrocardiogram. Okay, this one is room temperature and humidity sensor, and this one is body temperature sensor. It will measure in Fahrenheit. So now I will go through all the modules which you have included in the project. This is the IoT module, Wi-Fi module. It will connect to internet, and this is Arduino Uno as a microcontroller, and this is the power supply module, voltage regulator, and this is rectifier for 12 volt supply, 12 volts 1 amp, and this is LCD display which will monitor all the data at patient's location, and this module will send the all the data to the application which you have designed. This is the app where all the sensor data and patient data is collected and monitored here remotely. Now I will explain how this Wi-Fi module is sending data to the application. This Wi-Fi module connects to our hotspot and gets the internet access, and it will directly connects to the Firebase database. Here I will show the database monitoring, and this database is directly connected to the application. So the total data which is sending to the Firebase database is directly sent to the application in real time. It is a real time database. We can observe that the data is updating every second. Okay. Now I will explain the total working of this project. Now we will check the ECG sensor data. This is the ECG sensor, and we have to connect like this to the body, patient's body, and it will give the electrocardiogram data. Here we can monitor the data. E means ECG, it is showing some value, and here we can also see the data in the application also. ECG 395. Okay. Now the sensor is directly connected to the patient like this, and so we are getting the data. Okay, and we will go with the patient motion sensor. When the patient moves, the sensor will give the motion related data. Moving. When the patient moves, the data goes to 0, and in the app the data is updated like patient is moving. Now it is in rest, it's not yet updated, so we will wait for the update. Yeah, patient is moving, it is updated now. Okay, now we will go through the room humidity and temperature sensor, which is named as DHT11. It will give the room temperature and room humidity. RT is named as room temperature, and H is the humidity. 40% humidity and temperature is 28 degrees. It is also updated in the application also, 28 degrees and 40. Okay, now we will go to the body temperature, which gives the Fahrenheit. Okay, it is the body temperature sensor. I will hold this sensor to measure the body temperature, and it is showing like 85, 86. It's also updated in the application also. It is showing normal 87. If we get any abnormal temperature like 99 and 100, it will show like high fever or moderate fever. And we will go to the next sensor. Now we will go to the pulse sensor. It will give the heartbeat data. I have to hold this sensor like this. It is the pulse sensor, and it will show the pulse data. Wait for the data to read. B means BPM, beats per minute. Now it is showing BPM 70, like now it is showing BPM. Okay. Okay, this is all about health monitoring project. We can read all the patient's data and we can monitor the real time patient's status, whether it is good or not, is moving or not, and the ECG, pulse, and room temperature conditions also. Okay, bye.